everyone, and welcome to my in-depth review of the E-YOOSO Z94 mechanical keyboard. I've been putting this bad boy through its paces for a few weeks now, and I'm eager to share my experience with you. Buckle up, keyboard enthusiasts. At first, let's see the unboxing. The first thing that struck me about the E-YOOSO Z94 was its clean and stylish design. It comes in a variety of colors, but I opted for the classic black, which looks sleek and professional. The keyboard is built from solid plastic, feels reassuringly sturdy, and has a nice, grippy texture that prevents it from sliding around your desk. The keycaps are made of ABS plastic with a matte finish, which feels comfortable to the touch and resists fingerprints well. This keyboard is packed with features that cater to both casual and hardcore typists. Hot-swappable switches, the crown jewel for many. It allows you to easily experiment and customize the typing experience by replacing the switches without soldering. This opens up a world of possibilities for finding your perfect feel and sound. Immerse yourself in a vibrant spectrum of 16.8 million colors. Customize lighting effects to match your setup or mood with a variety of modes and brightness levels. Tired of repetitive tasks? No problem. Program any key to perform specific actions, macros, or launch applications with ease. Never miss a keystroke again. The Z94 boasts full anti-ghosting technology, ensuring all your presses register accurately, even in the heat of intense gaming or typing sessions. Take your keyboard anywhere. The detachable USB-C cable provides flexibility and convenience, making it easy to transport and use on the go. Sound test. Want to hear the glorious clickety-clack of the Udamu red switches? Check out this sound test. Conclusion. Pros: hot-swappable switches, RGB backlighting, programmable keys, anti-ghosting, detachable USB-C cable, solid build quality, affordable price. Cons: no software, no dedicated media keys, no palm rest included, no dedicated switches in box, no keycap or key remover. This mechanical keyboard presents itself as a feature-packed and impressive option for its price point and offers a wide range of features and functionalities typically found in high-end keyboards, making it a compelling choice for a broad range of users and applications. Thanks for watching. If you found something helpful, make sure to give a like and splash the subscribe button. Peace.
I will be there for you.